Welcome back to Allan Rebuild, and today we have a 2006 Honda Civic from iaai. Check it out. Welcome back to Allan Rebuild, and the car, the CRV almost ready. Just lining up the part and see what look on the car. Everything line up good, so let's try to get the car ready for finishing. Need a poly molding on the left door and the bottom of the left door. We need the panel molding and the fender molding and the bumper molding. Everything almost done. Everything come out nice. The color match. Everything match. So I almost finished this car. Like I said, this car almost done. They're waiting for the rocker panel molding on the bottom of the door, the molding for the left fender and the front bumper, waiting for this part to come into the. So the car almost done. I think I finished this car today. Then you can see how the part look on the car and line up good to put it on. I'm waiting for the chrome piece for the Allan and the bumper. I'm waiting for the chrome piece. I'm not finished yet. It will finish today. After that, I want to fit this car, this Honda Accord, and fix it. It's a 2019 hybrid. 2019 hybrid Honda Accord. So this one is the next project I want to do. We'll build this car. This car I buy from iaai Salvage. I'm just waiting for the parts. Welcome back to Allan Rebuild, and today we have the Honda CRV 2016 from Copper, finished completely. We already done all the body work, clean the car. I like how the car come out. Nice, very good, everything lined up. The front look very good. Everything lined up perfectly. Everything lined up good. I finished this car. Everything lined up good. The car is almost fully done. I like how this car come out. This car's nice. Done. Everything perfectly look good. Everything done this car. So if you like my channel, please subscribe, comment and like. A lot are still coming to my channel. Still got some more car to do. I still got some more car to rebuild. So in the next video I got another car coming in this track. So please subscribe. Peace.